Hallo Leute, was ist los jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Heute wir haben hier ein Kunststoffmodell aus dem Anime ZOIDS. So in English, for those people who only understand English, I have here a model kit from the anime ZOIDS, which is from the new century, and this is none other than the ZOIDS gun sniper from Kotobukiya, and this is being piloted by a female pilot, Lina Toros. Yes, as far as I can remember, that is the weak lady from the Blitz team who happens to destroy her I forgot the first machine she's using, but then she used this gun sniper, and I think she excelled using this model kit here, or the mobile suit, or the ZOIDS here. Yeah, now I remember the D-Bison. She destroyed the D-Bison, and she's very weak in using that, but she excelled in this gun sniper. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box art here shows the gun sniper along with the other gun snipers from the series. And to be honest, I don't like this kit, but since I really love the Blitz team, I consider buying the gun sniper to make my Blitz team collection complete. So I was surprised that the box of this kit is not that big, because it's like your average Zoid box size. So it's not that the same like the Ligers and the D-Bisons or the big Zoids model. So you can see here that this is from Kotobukiya, from the HMM high-end master model, and this is from the ZOIDS Blitz team piloted by your Lina Toros, the former pilot of the D-Bison. Yep. The side of the box, we can see the gun sniper there in the anime, and there are Japanese text, which unfortunately I cannot read because these are Japanese and I cannot read Japanese. The other side of the box, we can see the straight build gun sniper, and this is the gun sniper without the guns on its back, and this is the gun sniper fully armored and fully loaded with weapons. There we can see the Gatling guns and machine guns on its side, and we can see here in the gimmicks that we can have an orange window cockpit, or this clear transparent canopy for its cockpit. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. There we have a very nice printed instruction manual with the gun sniper straight build, and we open the manual, we can see some explanations written in Japanese, but it's not very nice to see because I cannot read Japanese text, unfortunately. So we have here some fictional engineerings of this gun sniper with Japanese text explanations again. We can see the parts list here. We have some pre-painted, I think this is pre-painted or not included. Let me just check after we open the wrappers. Then there it has so much runners included, but the parts are so small, obviously because the box and the kit is small as well. So there, the printout of this kit is black and white, same as the previous and the most common style of printing manuals from Kotobukiya, which are black and white. Okay, so for me, this is a hassle build due to the fact that the parts are so small. I hate small parts because these are small, sehr klein. And in the back of the manual, the last pages, we can see the color guide. If you want to print the kit by yourself, you can see here the finished product and how the kit looks like is straight build finish. Okay, as well here we can see the gimmicks and features that we can see also in the side of the box. So there we go to the parts content or the box content. We can see here purplish blue colored runner and dark bluish gray runner here for the inner frame parts. We have gray runners here for the inner frame parts of this gun sniper. We have this dark blue, purplish blue, something like that. So this has so much shades of blue happening in this kit. And these are the kits, or the parts are so small, which I hate because I don't like small parts, to be honest. But the kit looks nice, that's why I bought this kit. And we have here silver colored runners for the armor pieces. Then we have these gray colored runners and dark blue colored runners. We have here flexible plastic here. I don't know what kind of plastic is this. And we have a fair amount or small amount of polycaps. This is unusual for a Zoid for me, because this is my first time to see a Zoid having small amount of polycaps. And there we have gray parts or silver parts for the claws, and I think this one for the extremities. We have gray parts for the guns. These are runners for the guns. And we got here silver parts for small silver parts for the feet, and I think this is for the claw and the jaw of the gun sniper. Again, we got small parts here, yellow parts for the armor pieces, and there we got pilot figure of Lina Toros. We got these blue parts here. I don't know what is this for, but it looks like guns. And we got two sets of canopy here, or clear parts. We got the transparent and the clear orange canopy here. And we got this Zoid core, the iconic part of the Zoids, which is the Zoid core, the heart of the Zoids. And we got this water slide decals included, and this is small piece or small sheet here. It's not that much, but unfortunately I will not use this water slide decals, as I hate applying this to my kits, which will make my kit look dirty. Wir lassen Sie uns die Teile überprüfen, before wir es tun. So we review first the parts before we build the kit. That's what I said in English. And We go here to the runner A, which is this purplish blue colored runner for the armor pieces. We got this another purplish blue runner for the runner F. We are having here eine Teile for the armor pieces und es ist ins blau Farben or in blue color. So this is runner I. We're having here blau Farben Teile for runner B, and we have two sets of this. This is runner B for armor pieces. We're having here eine grau Teile for armor pieces, and this is runner N. Another runner H, or another blue colored runners for runner H. We got runner L and another runner L, so we have two sets of runner L for the guns. These are gun parts. We got runner B for the silver parts. I think we got runner B before. So we got two variants of this. We have the blue and the silver variant. So I guess I'll be using this silver instead of using this to make contrast on the colors. Then we got this runner G silver colored runners for the armor parts, armor pieces. We got another silver parts runner E and runner D for the joint parts. These are small parts, small pieces. Runner C, these are purplish blue colored runners for the guns. We got this flexible wire-like plastic for the cables. These are runner W, and we got polycaps, two small sets of polycaps, 8 pieces combined. Finally, we got yellow colored caps here for the joint caps. These are yellow runners. We got runner P for the pilot figure of Lena Toros, and 4 sets of runner M for the guns. So we got 4 runner M's here. These are for the guns. Graue Farben Teile. And here we got 2 sets of clear parts for the canopy, the transparent and the orange colored part here or piece here, and of course the Zoid core, this clear red circle or round shaped Zoid core. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and see you again in the review of this model kit once I finish this building. And we will do a not so detailed review of this after I finish it. So goodbye, thank you, God bless, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat, take care.